Hey guys and gals, Matt from Soundrolling.com, and today I wanted to do a little video based on a couple of videos I did about a year and a half ago where I was comparing Betso even, Betsy, could be a new brand, Betso shark fins with normal whip antennas, and I was obviously getting more range out of the Betsos, about 20 to 30%, but it's also important to remember where you're placing your actual packs and how you can get more range out of them. I did a video as well, I may as well throw this in as a kind of small part, that if the antenna touches the skin, you're going to lose a lot of range, so make sure the antenna's always kind of away from the skin, or there's clothing in the way. I basically walked off into a field, kind of like, and then I basically had one where I walked off and it was on my ankle. I did kind of two tests. And then I walked off and it was on my waist. And then I was on a hilltop and then I walked off and it was just on my waist. I didn't do an ankle version of that because actually it was really, really far. But the general takeaway from this is that if you place your RX and your TX in a high position, they're going to have more range and they're going to basically be able to communicate easier and further. This obviously is kind of the variables of this, I guess, as well, are an amount of layers of clothing that it's hidden under. And again, also having the antenna actually touch the skin. So I'll play some of these 90, 91, 92, 97, 99, 100, 2, 7, 6, 8, 7, 9, 230, 10, 11, 12. 3, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So this is the kind of overall result. Bing, 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 bing. And you'll notice that obviously this is why people have their antenna distribution usually on stands, because then you can actually reach a lot further than you would if it was down on the floor. This is probably similar to when there's sound as well, because obviously the radio frequencies are spread out, kind of like sound is. And if you have, say, the floor is the bottom of the camera, if you have a source here and a source here, then part of those frequencies will bounce and give you a better amplification. So that's my little video for today. And here's the full playlist of all those tests that we did. And here's a thing that YouTube thinks you'll like the best. And you can always click on my face to subscribe. So, till next time, I'll see you later.